Hello and welcome to TekBoost. Today I'm going to show you how to install a RAID controller into a Dell Poweredge T440 server. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer to make sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. The Poweredge T440 offers a wide array of RAID options. The motherboard has an integrated PERC S140, but can also support a PERC H330, PERC H730P, H740P, HBA330, or an external PERC H840. To begin, turn the server off and unplug the power cords. Make sure the light on the power button is completely turned off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the panel to reveal the interior. Remove the PCIe slot cover by lifting the blue latch. Install the PERC controller by firmly inserting it into the slot. Once it is in place, snap down the blue latch. Next, find the RAID cable attached to the backplane and connect it to the card. This part may differ slightly depending on which form factor and backplane are installed in your system. To finish the installation, reattach the outer panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, RAM, hard drive, and video card installations, as well as general product overviews for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy requesting more content.